Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka eroreri a Kameme TV no mathiete na mbere gutuma pole ciao kuri this Kameme presenter uria wekora mutino-ini wa barabara DJ Karis uria ukurehagira tabarira ya kurekereria kodi kuhitukira nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria ni akorwo agishare some unexpected news na mashabiki ake. Oroho DJ Karis ni acokeria Ngai ngatho muno for sparing his life. He shared this photos akionania uria accident he was involved in ikorirwo ikimuhanikira. DJ Karis agitiga fellow presenters and even eroreri a Kameme TV makihahukite muno ni kuona uria ngari yake igikorirwo igituthangwo ni mutino ucio. Karis augite, if it had not been for the Lord on my side, where would I have been? Thank you for saving me. Karis akiuga ahonoka ciarera after this accident he encountered na gutiga gari yake in a bad condition. Karis has confirmed that he was not injured na at he is fine despite gari yake gukorwo igituthwo ni mutino ucio. Accident eno ikionekana gukorwo ihandikiire DJ Karis majira ma utuko. Fellow presenters and even other celebs na makiria mashabika DJ Karis neroreri a Kameme TV show eno ya kurekereria kodi ni makorirwo makiyumiria na gukorwo magituma pole ciao just to make sure ati Karis akiri sawa na kumwira pole na kumumiriria muno ni undu wa kuhonoka ciarera through this accident agikorwo agishia kuhitukira nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria. And we hope everything is fine kuri DJ Karis. Kenya ni ndeto cia korwo igitukinyira tutigucitenderithia makiria twacioria toria cia tukinyira. Make sure ni turn on your notification wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.